Hi everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and as I promised in February when it's still cold, we're going to root some of the figs. So this is perfect time. If you could zoom in, they're actually starting to get a little green on their tips, so this is the perfect time. I think doing the cuttings when they're dormant is the easiest. Now, many times the success rate is not very good. So let me show you why my success rate is better. All right, let me show you two that I've already done. So this one is just starting to have growth, and this one is already doing the leaves up here. Why was it 100% success rate? One, I take long cuttings. The more nodes on it, the more roots you're going to have. So you're going to have a healthier plant. A lot of people are just cutting small sticks. The success rate could be 60%. So what I do, this is even a larger cup. I was out there. So I measure, and remember, these are shallow roots. So I'm going to cut one about here. Oh, this is perfect. Okay. So I'm going to cut between these two nodes. Now a node is where the leaf and the fruit is going to appear. So I take a thumb and I cut there. Now the thumb rule for me, I made this up, is you only want a thumb length from the node to where you cut it. Why? Because see the sap and everything? It could start rotting there. So you don't want it too close, or you don't want a whole bunch of stuff that's going to rot, because all the leaves and the roots come from here. So then I'm going to take my cutters or anything, and from both sides of that node, I'm going to scar it. Now, you don't want to go too deep, but enough that it's going to penetrate. We could also do right here if we wanted to, by this node, okay? Then get it really wet. And I just do the take root. These are hardwood cuttings, even though they're soft, they're hard. And basically, it works. Okay, I want to get it up here. Then take a stick and basically push it in, and this is going to go all the way to here. See how much I have? Not much. And then pack it. The next thing I do for the success rate, if you're not going to cover it, they need humidity. If you don't have a humidifier going, or you don't have to put water by register, just cover them. And then watch. The minute you see growth, then you want to put a stick and raise it so it's got some air and not to rot. Now, one more thing. Okay, the soil is really important. And I use these cups so I can see if any roots are coming, and they're tall and they're free. And so I drill 5 holes in here because you don't want it to rot. I use peat moss. You want very sterile soil. If I use anything else, I take boiling water and just really kill anything in it. Okay, and see how crumbly this is? It doesn't even hold very good. You want it slightly damp, not wet, slightly damp, because you will rot these. And that's another problem when people do the cuttings. So just fill it up, pack it down. You do not want a lot of air in there. My hands are dirty. Poke a hole. This is a recap. Now remember all my other videos that I did. I'm going to do this one. So put a thumb there, cut, squirt there. My daughter hates that part. Get it damp and just really get it in there. Okay. Now on some of my old videos I talk about how healthy these are, so check them out. But like the fig, you could replace that for the oil for baking, and it's a healthier and more tasty option. I keep telling Taylor to do a video on that. And even if you don't like figs, these are wonderful house plants, or take them out in the summer. But this is, I can't say guaranteed, but a better probability to have these rooted. Later on, I'm going to do another video if I want to do, let's say, 10 at a time. There's another method for that. And I'll let you know. The dogs are looking. And by the way, it's snowing here. We got roughly 8 to 9 inches. So the foster dog has decided, since he's not adopted, he is a sledder. He pulls the sled around. So watch the videos. It's just kind of fun. Have a great day. This is Sabrina. Please subscribe, like, and share, and thumbs up. I forgot one very important success step. You need to put these on the ground in a very warm floor area and colder top, I guess. You want the roots that are to come out of this plant. When it's warm, it'll go. So a heating mat right next to a vent. I do a vent. And the rest of the room is cool. So now I'm done.